Hello all traders. Today is Monday, 25th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price had a gap and it started to go up above the previous day close on all E-minis and continued that during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down to retest this level of support on Nasdaq, and also on S&P 500 is going down sharply. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down and take long position when the price retests these support levels at here or previous day high or close. And when the uptrend is formed, we start taking long positions with setup B, C, and T repeatedly. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trade that we're going to take today. So we're back, and the price had a deep pullback and reached the previous day high on Nasdaq, and we see some evidence of buyers coming back. So we took one long position on Nasdaq and S&P 500 with setup B, and also entering with setup C now repeatedly, and we see what happens. We quickly close any profit in the middle or upper area of the channel if the buyers does not push the price higher. So we had another pullback, so these are opportunities to enter long position. We have now positions on all E-minis that were filled and waiting for the buyers to push the price higher, and we're adding to the position in the lower area of the channel to have better average price and close it in the middle of channel or upper area of the channel. So the ATM is managing some of the positions automatically, and we see it close it, and we see that it's all closed with profit. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, the result is positive, and we reached profit factor of 22, which is coming from 90% win rate, all from the 10 long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio, which was 2.54. The largest winning trade was $425, and the largest losing trade was $74. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.